Hey geeks, Tim with MajorGeeks.com, if you couldn't tell by the gigantic logo in the background. And today we're going to take a look at an error that reads, you'll need a new app to open this ms-gamingoverlay link. Looks just like this. Matter of fact, you know what it looks like? Looks like this when you press the Windows key plus G. So what we're going to do here is, there's been some changes somewhere between 1903 and 1904. Since I happen to be running the preview build, I can show you both on one computer. This is only because it's changed. So, for example, on Windows 10 1903, you should be able to uncheck this box here. So you want to go to Start Settings, Game Bar. Going forward, you're going to want to go to Start Settings, Gaming, Xbox Game Bar. You can also use your Windows key plus S and type in Game Mode. Click on Game Mode. It'll get you into this area right here. Simple as that. So uncheck this box here. And as you can see, I'll now press the Windows key plus G. No game running, no error message. Now, if you have 1904, I'm not exactly sure exactly when it changed. You're going to want to be in Xbox Game Bar. And as you can see, very, very similar. Now it's doing nothing. So this one you're going to play around with and toggle it back and forth to see which one works for you. I was easily able to duplicate a little while ago, and of course now it doesn't want to work for me. I'm not 100% sure why, but that's okay. So if it continues in the future, just come over here, and there you go. Pretty easy to do. Now, of course, as always, there's more than one fix, and this is no exception. That is probably the one that fixes most people's problems. One of the things I mentioned as well was that you might want to even try the link, and I say that because just on the outside chance it does give you the option. Perhaps you used a third-party program and accidentally uninstalled something, you didn't know it. So you can see the Xbox Game Bar is here when you get there. And if you can use Git, go ahead and do it. It should fix your problem, because possibly you installed part of the Xbox Game Bar. Worth a shot. Or Game Bar, depending on your Windows version. And finally, just in case if all else fails, of course there's always a million fixes, jump into your PowerShell and type this in, and then do what we just did. Go back to the Microsoft Store and reinstall Xbox Game Bar. That's basically removing it and reinstalling it. And I may rearrange the order of these because I'm seeing good luck with this. This line right here, people have had really, really good luck with that working, replacing some missing files. So feel free to do that. I'm going to reverse the order by the time you see this video. And I would say to try that one first and save the removal and reinstall for last, which is almost always the best bet. So, but once again, just keep in mind, please do them in order. We get a lot of people say it didn't work, and then they tell me they skipped step 2. So in this case, step 2 is probably solving the problem for the majority of people, but I like to get them in order because I have problems. So there you go. All right, guys, thanks as always for watching. Click subscribe, click like, do whatever you want. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you again soon. See ya.